As you're out working around your garden this time of year, you might want to take a look at some trees and shrubs and see if they've had any winter damage. Now this Elaeagnus right here has foliage that is burned and is falling away, and that's perfectly normal in an Oklahoma winter, but we might want to check the shoots and see if they've had any winter damage. One way to do that on new shoots is to just take your thumbnail and scrape away a little bit of the outer tissue. If you see a brilliant green underneath, that's a sign that it did not have any winter damage. Now, if that's just a flat straw color or brown, it may have been killed back by winter. If you do see that, then progress on down the shrub and take a look at some of the thicker stems. Scrape away bark there and check to see if it's still alive. If it's killed all the way back to the ground, you could probably go ahead and cut it back right now. If it has not been killed all the way back, leave it in place and wait another month to prune it, because if you prune right now, you could stimulate some spring growth on it. Now there are other plants that you can prune all the way back right now with safety, and those are the herbaceous perennials, such as mums and daisies and these blanket flowers right now. I've just been pruning on them, getting them cleaned up for the winter. I'm going to put them in my wheelbarrow, chop them up, and put them in the compost bin, and have those all ready to go for spring. Hopefully leave room for some bulbs to come up later on this winter.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.